Hello, everyone. Today, the emotion that we're going to deal with is coughing and sneezing. Okay, so to sign cough or coughing in ASL, you'd use the S hand. Okay, the S hand, and you just touch your kind of touch your chest a couple of times. Cough, cough. And let your facial expression express that you're coughing, all right? And then to sneeze, you just have your index finger of your dominant hand will start at the bottom of your nose, will come down and go back up. Sneeze, sneeze. If you enjoyed this and want more, please like, share, subscribe. Blessings.